Ooh, what is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, if you watched yesterday, you got to see what we got to attack this 393 line. We said we wanted to long it yesterday. Now, in the Wolves World Discord, some people probably were able to take a long there. We didn't get quite as low to the previous week's low, right? Which is about 292.60s that I wanted to. However, we were able to take a very nice short. Okay. The first one here, pre-market, right? Pre-market high, but the second one was right here on this retest of the previous day's low. Okay, we were able to short ES up here, short ES again here, and get a SPY short in. Obviously, was a very volatile day as far as the range action was concerned. As you could see, I mean, we dropped out of the sky 397 to 393, ripped up to 396, ended up dropping back down a couple points. So it was a tough day to trade. Okay, so as long as you were able to nail a definite top or bottom, you were doing okay, right? Less trading is more when you're in this range, right? So you want to wait. You're going to want to wait for your confirmation. What was that confirmation? Well, this morning was definitely the pre-market high, right? Yesterday was getting down, or today the low was getting down towards the weekly low, right? So your confirmations was there, 393. 397 reject, okay, 393 long. So nice stuff. What do we expect for tomorrow? Well, we've got a smorgasbord of economic data coming out tomorrow, right? I mean, we got GDP. I mean, we've got everything you can imagine. GDP, trade and goods deficit, Chicago PPI, job openings, job quits, pending home sales, Lisa Cook speaks, and then big old Jerome Powell is going to throw a nice little knuckleball in there tomorrow for us, right? So, be wary of that. Understand with lots of data that comes out in the pre-market, okay, and Jerome Powell speak in the afternoon, we'll likely want to identify a tighter range that could come in the morning and understand we'll probably be playing into that. Now, does Jerome come out and say anything that we don't know yet? Likely not. He never really does. He only gives new information at the FOMC meetings or events usually. Okay, whenever he's speaking at these institutions or these where he's like the opening remarks or whatever, or he's interviewed, he's usually good about being very tight-lipped. He's good about being smart with his words and not creating any more panic, right, than he needs to. So as far as tomorrow, look, we know that now the range, I would definitely say range is going to be 393 to 400. Like the 399, though, a little bit better. It's where the 5MA is at. Okay, it's where the 5MA is. Okay, do we get our back test of 390? I don't know, but it's 100% still along. It's 100% still along. I would definitely be looking down there. We know we have this gap fill up here to 401.50, and then above there, 403 is huge resistance. Okay, 200 MA still above 404.29 now. Does it come to 403 at all this week? It could. Definitely could. And that could be our reject. Guys, I still kind of have this gut feeling that we're going to have some bull bait in this gap to be filled and maybe not quite get up to this trend line, right? The 408 gap fill. Okay, it's very possible they use this as some bait. Maybe we poke our head into this gap and actually fail the 200 MA. Okay, so you'll want to watch if we do get buyers tomorrow, right? We had buyers come in here and show us strength, right? By showing this nice wick down. Okay, and holding this 395 level. So if we want to get a test to the top side here, I'd probably be looking to short this gap fill on the initial touch. Okay, from there, I'd probably be looking at 403 to short. And if we do I would definitely be watching for a fake breakout to a downside move, okay, at this 200 MA as well. Why? The 200 MA has been proven to be strong as hell. Okay, right here, you could see it literally kissed it on the mouth and then dropped. Okay. Okay, so that's the plan for tomorrow, guys. We want to see this 393 hold, if not long 390. Okay, look for any possible reject of 399 to about 400 level. Okay, I know it's a little bit of a range of that top range there. Okay, but you'll want to see that. You'll want to see also where all these MAs open up at, but 390 still looks to be a very nice long area where I'll be looking most definitely. Okay, guys, that's all I got. That's all I got. Wake up early tomorrow. Lots of economic data in the morning, especially I think GDP comes out at 5. Okay, should produce a little bit of a move. We'll be playing the futures on it. Okay. And of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.